Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cadence in cycling. Cadence is simply how fast you pedal, measured in revolutions per minute, or RPM. Understanding and optimizing your cadence is crucial for efficient and enjoyable rides. It helps you conserve energy, reduce strain on your muscles, and maintain a consistent pace. We'll explore why finding your sweet spot in pedal strokes can transform your cycling experience, making every ride smoother and more powerful. Generally, an ideal cadence for most cyclists falls between 80 and 100 revolutions per minute. Road cyclists often find their sweet spot closer to 90 or 100 RPM, which helps maintain momentum and reduce muscle fatigue over long distances. For mountain biking or casual commuting, a slightly lower cadence, perhaps 70 to 90 RPM, might be more suitable for varied terrain and stop-and-go situations. Experiment to discover what feels most comfortable and efficient for your riding style. Riding with a higher cadence offers several significant advantages. It reduces the stress on your leg muscles and joints, helping to prevent overuse injuries and allowing you to ride longer without feeling as fatigued. This approach also improves your cardiovascular fitness, as your heart and lungs work more efficiently. Furthermore, a quicker pedal stroke helps you maintain speed with less perceived effort, especially on flat roads or during descents, making your rides more enjoyable and sustainable. To effectively improve your cadence, start by using a cycling computer or a smartphone app to monitor your current revolutions per minute. Begin practicing on flat terrain, consciously trying to maintain a consistent pedal stroke at various RPMs. Gradually work on increasing your average cadence by 5 to 10 revolutions per minute over several weeks. Focus on smooth, circular pedal strokes rather than mashing the pedals. Consistent practice will build the muscle memory needed for a more efficient and powerful ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.